this definition of a matrix and what we call the order of a matrix, that's the only thing that we do in the first section. Right? Then we're going to go ahead and learn how do we add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Right? So matrix, like the movie, The Matrix. So the definition of a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, like numbers going across. It could have a length and it could have a width. Right? It's got a certain number of numbers going across. It's got a certain number going down. Right? The rows of the matrix, we usually count by, notice how it goes A11, A21, A31, A whatever. That first number is telling you the row that that number is in. Right? So this dot, dot, dot means there's an infinite number or some uncounted number of rows in between here. The last row has got the first number is M. So there's M rows. It goes from 1 to M. Right. And then there's N columns of numbers, and you can tell it's the second number that's counting the column that you're in. So it goes A11, A12, A13, and since there's N columns, the last number is A1N. If I continued it all out, then the last number in the bottom right corner, it's in the M row and the N column, so it's A, M, N. Each one of these things here, the little lowercase a, is called an entry in the matrix. That's an entry. And the order of a matrix is when you say the number of rows and columns it has. Like in this case, because there's M rows and N columns, you say that the order is M, they use a cross or like an X, right? M times N, right? That's the order. So every time a matrix has a particular order to it, if you've ever had matrices before, and probably at this point we don't have anybody with that background, but if you did, a lot of places they don't call it order, they call it the dimensions. The dimensions are M times N.